All right, we got the Gauntlet Gray 2021 Street Glide Special. I was gonna go with the gray and black that had the blue pinstripe, but I don't like pinstripes, so I just went with the straight up Gauntlet gray bike. I do have a flush mount gas cap coming. It's just not here yet. They were out of stock. Imagine that, out of stock. I am going to switch out these engine guards or crash guards because I want to put the lower fairings. So this looks all right, but I do want the lower fairings. So this is going to go. I'm also going to put the saddlebag guards on as well, so that's something else that's coming. I did the previous video on the lights, so I'm going to be switching out the majority of the lights to custom dynamics. Also going with some passing lights because I like the way that looks. I'm going to try to switch out all these chrome bolts for black bolts. Not sure why you have a blacked out bike with all of these things that aren't black, but okay, whatever. Right now I'm going to see if my old seat will fit on here. This new seat is okay, but I like my old seat better. Plus it has a backrest already. And excuse my messy garage. It wasn't this bad, but when I had to do work on my 04 Road King, I just had to start pulling a lot of stuff off. So I'm gonna have a lot of stuff for sale that I'll be putting up on eBay. I'm also gonna change this whip-like antenna to something shorter. So let's start by taking this bag off. Alright, get this seat off. Oh, there it is. I don't know how I missed the battery tender. That was another reason why I was taking this off. And it's literally right here on top. Duh. I don't know how I didn't see that. So I'm not sure if this seat will work or not, because it was a seat that was on my Road King. So I don't know. I don't know if that seat will actually work. I just noticed that they changed the way this goes. Normally this would just slide into a hole, and it would have went kind of like that. So that would have been, I guess, okay. Yeah, a little bit of an angle. So that doesn't work. So this Mustang seat will be on eBay for sale. And I also have a backrest for it too, so that will be for sale. So I'll need to get a new seat. Like I said, this seat is okay. It's just I like the lower profile seat to kind of bring me down a little bit more, since I'm 5'7", 5'8", somewhere in that area. But the good part is I did find the tender thing, so that's good. So we'll slide this back on. I was hoping to be able to reuse some of the things from my 04, but that's just not working out. And you know, I guess I kind of expected that. I should have expected that, because you know, this is a much newer bike. I did hate to get rid of my 04, but I just sunk so much money into it. It's becoming like the money pit. So sometimes you just gotta let things go and start again. One thing that I said I would try not to do on here is any engine work. I just, you know, it seems like as soon as I started doing engine work on my 04, that's when the bike became unreliable. And since me and my guys ride a lot, you know, it just became I was always driving because there was always something wrong with the bike. I do like on these new bags that they come with this little skid pad on the bottom there. So I like that. That's pretty good, if you can see that. If you can see that right here, they come with the skid guard. So that's good if you, when you lean a little bit too much and you start scraping. This bike also has the tab exhaust. They put the diamond cuts on here, and they should have been the slash cuts. So since I had the bike delivered from out of town or out of state, they're gonna send me the slash cuts. So I'll install the slash cuts and then send them back these diamond cut ones. Let's hear the exhaust real quick. Defense gear. So it's a real short antenna. I'm just not sure how well it works. If it sucks, then I guess I'll just be sending it back. It was a decent deal. They sent me the antenna, and then they also sent me 3 face masks as well. So you just pull them over and hang them here. So I got those 3 colors. And I'll be cleaning this garage up tomorrow. That's for sure. But this is the antenna. So it's really, really short. And it just go right there. So we'll see how well does it work. Yeah, I'm not gonna go through setting up a install video of this, but you know, you pretty much you take off this bag. There's a screw down here. Sometimes you can just screw this guy out, but if not, you know, take off the bag, get along here on the side, and just unscrew it from here on the side. Then you screw this guy in, and they sent a bunch of attachments to try to get it to fit on there. So you just have to find the attachment that works the best. And once you find that, then you just put it on and you'll try it out. So what I'll do is I'll go outside with the radio, see what the reception is. And I don't really listen to the radio anyway. It's normally, you know, from my iPhone, listening to music. And I don't think the navigation runs off of this antenna either. I think it's one in the front. But we'll see how good the radio reception is with this new antenna. Like I said, if it sucks, I'll send it back and just go and get the regular Harley shorty antenna. I'd actually bought this antenna for my other bike that I'm selling. But I changed my mind. Since I'm selling it, I might as well keep the antenna and try it out on this bike. But other than that, that's all I got. Catch you later.